So, hello everyone. So, in our last video, we have seen why Python is effective in all the domains like AI, ML, data science, as well as web development, game development. So, on this basis, today we will start the actual technical things like actual coding in Python. So, to code in Python, we have to go to first python.org website, because we have to first download the interpreter of Python to code in Python in our system. So we can see here the various options are available here. So to start downloading the interpreter, we have to go to downloads, and as you can see, this will pop up the option of download Python install manager, or we can directly download the installer, which will help us to get the executable file. You can download the zip files also. As you can see, these are the various versions of Python as per their release end of support. And here in documentation, you can see the stable versions and in development version. So currently 3.15 is the in development version by the Python community. So we will download the stable version. So currently stable version is 3.14. So actually I have this version in my system. I will show the process of how to download it in your system. So as you can see, this is the executable file we downloaded from this official Python documentation. We will get this file in our system. As you can see, this is, when you click this, it will open the pop-up for installation. Before installation, make sure that you have clicked or checked these two boxes before installation, as we have to get the admin privileges to code in Python, and as well as we have to add the Python part to environment variable. So after this, clicking these check boxes, we can proceed for install. So currently I have installed the Python, the same version, so I will not install it again. You can install this by following this same process. I will say no, cancel. You can follow the further process, and after this it will install the Python in our, probably in this drive, if you didn't mention the other path. And after the download, you can check if the Python is installed out in our system or not. So for that, we can open the CMD here from the search CMD and command prompt. You can directly open this, or you can run this as administration. You can see this CMD has the option of to run as administrator. You can say yes. So when you check Python, directly Python, make sure to check the spelling. As you can see, I have the previous version actually, Python 3.13.9. If you didn't see this version, or you might get error if it is not installed properly. So make sure to run this command to check Python is installed in our system or not. So with this, we will get the ID, which is the default ID from Python documentation, that is ideally Python 3.14. So this is actually the default ID from Python you will get after the installation of Python. And in this, after all this download, checking the installation has done properly or not, then after that we will go for coding in Python. So before writing the code, make sure all has download the Python version, and which should be stable version, not in development version. So we are going to write the first program in Python now. As all the developers may know, our first program in any language is hello world, as per our common rules. So basically this is the syntax for printing any string. This is the string in Python. Don't worry about any technical things, we will go in deep slowly, but now focus on this only. Print hello world and enter. As you can see, this is the Python interpreter printed the string as it is. We can print any other string also, like I am new to Python. If you try this, it will give error, syntax error, like this. Now this is running only one line. It is taking the one line, and after hitting the enter, it is giving the output. But what if you want to code in 3-4 lines, like multiple lines program we have to run? Then what you will do? That we will see in next video. So thank you for this. Stay tuned for the next videos, as you will see how to run the multiple line codes in this IDE. Thank you.